Hello, I'm Peter Fox. Today in this clip I would like to show you the method we use for assembling our single pedestal tables called dowelling. With this we use an offset hole in this tenon here and a peg in this hole here, and the pressure against this edge of the hole draws the arm into the joint and secures it tightly. It's for use where we can't put a cramp on. The pegs are also hand turned on my same lathe that we use to turn this, and they're a special design having the taper on the end to help guide it past the offset in the two holes and into the hole on the far side, and then a slight taper on this end which helps to completely seal and fill the hole in the pedestal here. Each joint is individually fitted and drilled, so we make sure it's marked up so it goes back in the same hole again for a perfect fit. Now we're glued up and we're ready to pop the leg in and bang the peg in. Bit of glue around the dowel hole. As you can see, that's pulled the joint up perfectly on both sides, and if we repeat that now for all the other legs and arms, we should have a table base. Once the sled goes into place, it becomes obvious why we can't cramp it in the conventional way straight across here, is that we'll just pull the legs downwards and wouldn't give us any kind of joint at all. Next we'll fit the two arms which are in line with the two legs that we fitted. This just makes it a little bit easier to handle. Trim off the pegs as we go along just to make it a bit easier to get to again. And those can be chiselled off afterwards altogether. It gets a little bit more awkward when we get to this stage. The more limbs you put in, obviously the more difficult it gets to hold everything in place, but it's still a lot easier than cramping it, so we persevere. Once I get to this stage, I use a drift to hit the dowel with. It just means that we don't hit the leg here with the hammer and make work for ourselves later. You can hear the note change when you get the peg to the bottom of the hole. It suddenly firms up and makes quite a ring. with this close-up shot, you actually see the peg pulling the arm in as we get it through the hole to make a good strong joint. Closes it beautifully. Perfect. All the arms and legs are fitted now. The pegs, after cleaning up, become almost invisible, and we're now ready to start work on the top, which we'll show you later. As you can see, the table's now finished. We've got a 52 inch by 36 inch top with 10 inch radius corners. We've got some beautiful grain in the top there that will come out beautifully when it gets a finish on it. And to show that we're happy with what we've done, we've already got the fox's head on the leg there.